Students, just now we have done the addition of like fractions, additions of fractions with the same denominator. Okay, now what we have to do? Subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. Again, same denominator means, again and again I am telling, that is they are called like fractions. Just now I have shown you, and the same one more activity is there. Just you have to see this. Here I have drawn the 8 blocks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I have drawn the 8 blocks. Out of 8 blocks, total I have shaded 6 blocks. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total I have shown like this. Total I shaded 6 blocks out of how many? 8. So out of 8. Okay, so 6 by 8. Out of this, 2 I shaded with the cross sign. See here, cross sign, 2 by 8. And 4 I have shaded with the what? With the circle. Okay, so now from 6, from total parts, how many I have shaded? 6. So from 6 by 8, if we will remove this, remove means subtraction. Okay, you have to remove this, or think that your if this is a Cadbury bar that your brother ate. So out of 6 by 8, total parts is 6 by 8. Out of 6 by 8, if 2 I am removing these 2, minus 2 by 8, then it will, you write here 8, and 6 minus 2 is what? 4 by 8. How many is left? 4 is left. 1 2 3 4. That is, this is called activity. So without counting, you will get the answer. How many is left? 4 left. In same manner, if you from this how many I have shaded? 6 parts I have shaded. If from 6 parts, if you remove these 4 parts, 1 2 3 4, then what will be your answer? Your answer will be 2 by 8. Right? So like this is called subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. Okay, now page 126, exercise 8.10. Okay, section A, I am showing you second sum, 6th sum and 8th sum in same manner. So 6 by 7 minus 2 by 7, here just I shown the activity. Then it means total, you have to shade, total you have to make 7 blocks, and out of that you have to shade 6 blocks, and differently this one. Okay, so 6 by 7 minus 2 by 7. So what you will do? So you take here also, as actually it is LCM, 7, then 6, the same manner. Here also 6 sum, also here 25. So now 25 block is to do is somewhat difficult. 25, so 20 minus 5 is, from 25 gone, how much? Yes, 15 by 25. 15 by 25. Here also in same manner, out of these 8 parts, 8 is the LCM. Then 3 parts, from 3 parts, 2 parts gone. Then how many parts left over? 1 part only left over, 1 by 8. Now section B is like this. Here instead of subtraction sign, minus sign, they are given from. If from is given, then what to do? From is given means this is 8 by 11. Okay, from here this is your total shaded parts. Total parts is 11, but total shaded part is 8. From here you have to from total shaded parts only you can subtract, no? So this you have to write in the beginning, 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. Okay, so from 11 is LCM. From 8, 3 parts gone. Total shaded part is 8. From that, 3 parts gone. So from 8, 3 gone means 5. And this is one logic, that this is total parts shaded, 8 parts. From 8 parts, 3 parts gone. So first you have to write 8 by 11. This is one logic. Otherwise, you think that subtraction means always from greater to smaller. So 3 and 8, these are same only. 3 and 8, which is greater? 8 is greater. So always you have to subtract like this. 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. 8 is greater. So 8 you have to write in the beginning. And then 3 by 11 and then subtract it. Okay. Like this. Fifth one also. First term sum and fifth sum. Fifth sum also you have to write 49. First is 49 by 99 minus 31 by 99. So here 99, 49 minus 31. From 9, 1 gone, 8, 4, 3 gone, 1. So this answer is 18 by 99. So children, this is exercise 8.10, page number 126. I shown you the sums just now. So you do here all the sums. 8 sums are here, and section B here from is there. Here also 8 sums are there. Here I shown 3 sums. Here I am showing you 2. I have shown you 2 sums. You do all the sums. 1 week time is there. Only once in a week the class is there. That's why I am giving this much homework. You do leisurely. You make your plan that I will do this much today, this much tomorrow, like this. And please try to send the homework. That is very, very important.